Alright, good morning everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are doing a free walking tour of Cartagena. So we're in the Old City. We'll be exploring various plazas, the wall, because Cartagena is a walled city, as well as some historical sites. So come join us.
And we're moving. The tour began with the standard typical introduction to what you're going to see and a little bit of the historical stuff. I don't try to tape that for you guys because, for one, I don't want to ruin the tour for anybody. And then it's like, and it wouldn't be right anyways. It's not my story to tell on that part. So now we're moving on forward towards that clock tower, which is really, really freaking awesome. And apparently, if you can see, it is Roman numerals for that clock tower. I'm not sure you guys can see this right now, but if you can, that's pretty cool. This is a pretty cool entrance, guys.
So walking into the old walled town.
Yeah, this would be the entrance gates, I guess. So I'm not certain if you guys can see the little kiosk over here of sweets, but everything is being handmade right here by this lady. She's making all her sweets. They look fabulous. Now, we're really at the beginning of the tour here, so I'm not buying anything right now, but we are definitely coming back right after the tour ends to get ourselves some sweets for tonight. So guys, as you can see, we're on our tour, and this is basically what Josie and I really like to do on a regular basis. When we enter into a new city, and so we most definitely try to do some kind of tour because that is the best way to discover a city. The tour guide will give you all the hidden little corners for one, and you just can't see everything properly. You'll miss half of the stuff if you don't do a tour. So I most definitely encourage everybody to do a tour. And let me tell you, in Colombia, practically every city has got some free tours. So this is what we're on right now. Beyond Colombia is the company, and they do free tours. And you just participate, you sign up, you show up, and you enjoy a great tour, and then you just leave a nice tip for the tour guide.
I'm hoping to slip away so we can go see those little statues over there because they look kind of cool.
Good. Sounds good. Lead the way, my love. Let's slip away. Both of you are pondering. I can see you guys are really thinking hard.
We're thinking about what's for lunch.
Something in the water, in every one of us. Yeah. And waves are coming in now. I don't know.
On the wall now. This is what a lot of people come Cartagena to see in the old town area, is the wall, where it was the wall that defended the city, of course. You can see the cannons and everything. And well, you get a completely different viewpoint up here. And there was once, this wall was about 11 kilometers length. No longer the case. Not quite sure what the length is, but they've been chipping away and removing parts of the wall for the past 200 years. But there was a one period of time for about 2 years where there was a lot of garbage in the city. And unfortunately, they made the decision to remove several kilometers of the wall at that point. I guess it was to make routes easier for the garbage removal and stuff like that. I'm not sure the reasoning for it, but that was the decision at the time. This makes you very
so
happy?
much room. You can have a party up here.
No kidding, eh? No kidding.
Cruising down the street like a rolling stone. Pretty little boy far away from home. Diamonds on the beach on a girl that won't get old. Go and rub your feet against a body made of gold. Acting like you're cool when you try to please. It's hard to be cool when you're on your knees. Hey, Mr. J, Mr. What a day, Mr. I am addicted to you. Hey, Mr. J, Mr. What you say, Mr.
This looks like a really nice park, great for shade. Love these palm trees. Well, maybe with palm trees, but any kind of greenery. I'm a nature boy by heart, but I love the city too, so I guess I'm a
Just
conundrum.
majestic.
What was this?
The palm trees. Palm trees are majestic.
That's a big word for me, I don't know.
It's a big tree. Look how tall
If that means
they are.
pretty special, I agree with you. Old Town's pretty cool looking. I kind of like Old Town much better than where we're staying, which we'll shoot a video on that to show you guys where the Boca Grande area is and all the hotels and resorts. But yeah, I so much more prefer this. This is so much more charming. But then again, we all have our styles, right? Every piece of Cartagena that we've seen so far has been pretty nice in its own right and earning its own badge of honor. If there's anything at all, come visit Colombia just because it's so damn charming. These are just wonderful little places to visit, and you know what? Everything here feels very, very safe. So if anybody is wondering about anything like that, well, it appears to me that you can walk down these streets pretty safely without any issues at all, with a camera in hand like I'm doing. And as you can see, you do get a bubble of safety with a tour guide, but I'm pretty sure this area is not an issue for anyone. Do you see it? It looks like another Botero statue. Awesome. You know how I love these, a Botero statue. Gotta get a better shot of that.
No matter how we are of beautiful and bringing beauty. This is my art, and that's what it says, and this is why it came from there. Now, some people in Colombia, we say in Cartagena, if you touch the beach, take a picture, that means you're going to travel around the world. But some of the people think different way. That's why it's went off somewhere. No? People think if you touch it there, taking a picture, you're having a nice, very nice sexual life throughout the life. But some people touch it everywhere, just in case.
Listen now, it's clear to me we went too far. We're heading for the great wide open. The clouds
guides know all the history about everything, so it's really, really worth it. You get a nice historical viewpoint of the city and of the structures that are still standing and why things happened the way they did. Plus, you get to find out what all the wonderful safe zones are, how you can feel comfortable in these areas. So, you know what, like we always say, do the tours, enjoy the tours. It's the best way to discover the city, and this was no different. Cartagena looks amazing. Now we're gonna do some of our own exploring on our own over the next couple of days. But yeah, we're really, really happy we took this tour. And you know, I'm not sure we would have found this spot. Isn't this spot amazing? All right, look guys.
We'll swing it around and you'll see the other side of the city. So right now you're seeing the old side and you'll see the new side over there.
Yeah, and look guys, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead, subscribe, hit the little bell to get reminded every time that we post a new video, and please like. Oh, and you know what? Comment if there's any spots that we missed that you guys said, oh no, too bad you missed this spot, or you should have seen this and there. Please put it in the comments and we will be, you know, we may be able to get to it, we may not be able to get to it before we leave, but if not, the rest of the people share the comment because others will make a point of seeing it then. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Cheers.
Bye, everyone.